Hi there. This is Christopher De Leon. I am Christopher De Leon anyway, but Madam?
Hi there. I am Vilma Santos and Christopher De Leon.
Yeah.
The stars of When I Met You in Tokyo.
Right. We are going to interview each other
First time.
for the first time in our lives.
Yeah, first time.
And we'll see what happens here. Can I ask you one question?
Yeah. Go ahead.
From here.
Yeah.
What was your favorite moment when we were in Japan? Yung pinaka magandang while we were shooting our scenes. Ano yung pinaka gustong moment?
It's been a while that hindi ako gumawa ng pelikula. So yung excitement ko to do another movie again or to shoot a movie again na nabigay lahat ng, with all honesty, nabigat lahat when I met you in Tokyo. Kasi yet parang hindi ko alam yung bonding nating lahat
Yeah.
for a very lean group o staff.
Oh, wow.
And then you and just tayo lang yata, and then si Akira, di ba? And then my friends. Parang napaka-lean nung group natin. Hindi ko alam, basta na-in-love ako sa istorya, na-in-love ako sa family, bonding nating lahat. I fell in love with Joey.
Yeah.
And I minahal ko si Azon, my character. Si Joey po, si Yedbo. So madalit salita, I fell in love with the story. Sa tagal natin sa industriya, Yed. Naku, kalat naman to eh.
Kalat.
O sige, gano'n na talaga ako katagal sa industry. Kalat naman ito na Yed eh. O be careful. Be careful.
Ha? Through this liit.
Oh,
Kailan
yeah.
yun?
Careful.
Oh, yeah. Ilang taon ka na sa industry?
Yeah.
40 years?
Ang galing mo, kuhang-kuha mo talaga.
Oh,
Hindi.
Kita mo? Child actor ka eh.
Hindi. Really, 60 years. Ikaw, ilang taon ka na sa
I
industry?
don't count my years.
Seriously?
No, I don't count it.
Why? No
I
yet.
just go on with my life.
No yet, the
Really,
truth.
really. But I started when I was like 18 years old and that was 1975. I don't know how.
Pero non-stop na yun, right?
Non-stop.
Till this day.
Yes, madam.
So, ganun na rin siya katagal sa industry.
Yeah. Matagal na talaga. in the
Yeah,
industry.
yeah.
What is the difference of working with me compared to working with your other on-screen partners? Kilala ko yan, mga kaibigan ko lahat yan.
Wag naman, ito naman.
Mga kaibigan ko lahat yan. Nakasama ko pa sila. Minsan triangle pa yung mga pelikulang ginagawa natin.
Of course, lahat naman bukod sa iyo, I was able to do a lot of movies also with different leading man. They're all good. They're all good. Magme-mention, I mean, let's say Dindo Fernando,
Wow,
good
galing.
good actor. Aga Mulak, a lot of them, I enjoyed working with them too. And they're also very, ano rin sila eh, very, very giving din. Kung may mga kumita rin ako mga pelikula, doing films na hindi ikaw ang leading man, I guess kahit papano, meron din silang chemistry na nakita. May magic din sa mga eksena ginawa ko with other leading man. Kaya lang, meron. Dahil kung may mga kumita, nagtagal ako ng ganito, I was able to do a lot of movies with different leading. Kaya lang kasi, so ibig sabihin meron din chemistry. Kaya lang iba nga yung atin. Ikaw sa leading ladies mo. O anong difference naman when you do a scene with your other leading ladies? Anong difference when you do scene with me and with your other leading ladies?
Yeah.
The difference.
Meron akong naka-eksena na aagawan ako talaga ng eksena.
Serious ka?
Oo, aagawan talaga ako ng eksena.
Na-experience mo yun?
Oo, aagawan. Kaya,
Wow. Wow.
and meron naman akong isa, a classic actor also, like you. Very giving, and ano ko siya, favorite ko rin siya. This is Hilda Coronel.
Oh my God. Good. Yeah, very good actress. Very good actor. Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Very good.
She used to have photographic memory,
It's good.
and then medyo mayaw na lang,
Yeah,
she retired
sayang.
from acting, so
Sayang.
yeah. And they're all good, ha? They're all good.
I know. I
They're all
know.
good. Super good. Kaya lang hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupwesto. And sa'yo, I'm very comfortable. I'm very comfortable. The
That's-
very good actors, no? But one thing good about them is they're very precise. And mas kinakabahan ako sa kanila kesa sa'yo.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, yes,
Kasi
yes.
alam ko, maintindihan mo ko pag nagkamali ako.
Hindi, tsaka
Pag
yet.
mali ang attack ko, tapos sabihin mo sa akin, and vice versa. That's what's fun with working with you.
Thank you. Thank you. That is good to hear. Ano rin kasi hindi lang naman tayong maraming magagaling talaga. Maraming magagaling. Pero nagulat ako na naka-experience siya sa na talaga hindi ka nasuportahan yet.
Agawan ka talaga.
Ngayon bigla ako nag-isip, ano ba yung mga pelikulang ginawa, inagawan din ako na eksena.
May mga ganun.
Parang so far, wala naman. So
Kasi
far.
sa akin kasi it's always teamwork. It's always
That's
teamwork.
true. I guess that's some... At saka, napaka-importante kasi yung tulungan ng co-star mo. Importante yun. Importante yun para ayokong, how would you say, hindi ka nakikipag-agawan.
Yeah.
Alam mo yung ibig ko
That's very
sabihin?
good. That's very
Oo,
good.
yeah. You, ano ba yung word doon?
Yeah.
Compete. If you do a movie, you don't compete. You work together.
Yeah.
Tama yet?
It's
Diba?
a scene.
It's-
It's
Yeah.
two human beings. I mean,
That's
two
true.
people,
That's true. That's
doing
true.
a scene, telling a story.
Okay. Since we've been working for so many years, siguro kahit papaano may nakikita mo ko, meron ka bang nakikita sa akin na masasabi mong aside from acting, meron ka bang nakikita sa akin hidden talent? Careful Meron kang nakikita sa akin na hidden talent ko?
What do you mean?
No, I mean aside from acting, like when we're together, let's say may break sa shooting, meron ka bang nakikitang ginagawa kong iba na masasabi mong, oh, talented din pala si V sa ganon, aside from acting?
You're everything. Like,
Come on!
yeah, you can dance. You can dance. You're our governor. You used to be the mayor. You used to be, now you're the congresswoman. You handled it well. You serve the people well. I mean, like, when I was board member, your board member, one of your board members, well, I was the number one board
Yeah, senior.
senior board member. I was like, wow, look at Vilma up there. She's doing everything.
Yet, alam mo, who would think, I mean, yet, who would think na never in my wildest dreams that
You're blessed, man.
I will become a public servant. Imaginein mo, bigla akong napasok sa politika, tapos yung team ko pumasok din. Yet, nagkatrabaho din tayo doon.
Yeah.
Kahit sabihin mo naging governor ako, but
Yes.
you became the senior board member ng Batangas.
Yeah.
So, ibig ko sabihin, pinasok mo rin yung mundo na yun kahit papano, di ba?
It was
With me!
Yes, it was.
Diba?
For me, it was a very good. Parang it became very good school for me for legislative
Yes.
know-how.
Yeah.
and I was even presiding over the meetings.
That's
and all.
true.
Hot dog, sabi ko.
Akalain niyo po na kami ni Yetbo, bukod sa pinagsamahan naming matagal sa industry, when I became a public servant, the governor, and the senior board member, we were still working together.
Yeah.
Pero as public servants,
Yeah.
we talk about the issues
Oo.
tungkol sa anong priorities, what's the problem of the province, what can we do with the environment. So, what I'm driving at is the relation that we have, parang holistic na siya. Imagine, not only in showbiz, nagkasama din tayo sa issues ng problema ng bansa. Di ba?
Problema ng bansa.
Yeah,
It's
gano'n.
something-
But anyway, I just want to share with you na aside from acting, I'm enjoying drawing.
Oh,
I love to draw. I love to
really?
Yeah.
You've been painting lately.
Not painting but really drawing pencil.
Sketch.
Yeah, sketch.
Sketching.
Yeah, I love to
Right.
do sketch.
Yeah.
My sketches, a lot, ang dami. So yun ang minsan pastime ko, ganun. Just magbenakopya ako, just drawing, but not really painting.
Yeah.
Kung natuloy-tuloy ko yung college ko siguro, ang kukunin ko rin fine arts. So
Yeah.
nandun din talaga sa arts. Yeah.
But there's one question.
Yet meron ako isang question.
Oo.
Yet.
Oh,
Sa dinami-dami ng movies na nagawa ko, meron ka one time na binanggit sa akin na sabi mo, gustong-gusto ko yung movie mo yan. You still remember? Sa lahat ng pelikula ko, yung mga napanood mo o yung alam mo, ano yung naging paborito mo? Kahit hindi ikaw yung kapareha.
kahit hindi ako.
Oo.
Of course, Stella.
Sister Stella.
Tagos sa dugo. Tagos was...
Akala ko makakalimutan mo
Tagos
na.
was mind-blowing para sa akin.
Kasi,
Ay,
yes.
wow, you're
yes.
over that well there.
Yes, akala ko nakalimutan mo na because there was one time we were sitting, I don't know kung anong affair yun, we were sitting together and then you made mention, you know, V, ang pinaka-paborito ko sa pelikula mo, Tagos ng Dugo. Sabi ko, what? Kaseta, and then, ewan ko kung naalala mo, and then you were saying na, kasi gustong-gusto ko yung body language mo doon. That killer ako doon, di ba?
Grabe.
Yung nagiging parang hayop yung galaw, di ba? Yun. Yung minention mo yung Tagos ng Dugo talaga. I still remember.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even your fingers were moving.
Yeah.
And that from bottom of your toes and
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
from top of your head, it was all moving.
Tagos,
it was
yeah.
alive, and sabi ko, ang galing nito, so super.
At saka kasi yung movie na yon, 7 lalaki ang kasama ko, ako lang ang babae. 7 leading man in one movie. And then killer.
Yeah, yun nga eh.
Yeah.
Yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Yun yung iba. Kasi madalas kasama kita, like, good mother, and then romantic lead and all that. So, that was really different.
Sa movie natin, anong paborito mo?
Sa movie
Natin.
Very, very memorable sa akin relasyon. Broken marriage.
Yes, yet.
Broken marriage.
Yes,
Para
sure.
sa akin, favorite ko.
Yet, alam mo, sa Broken Marriage, ang galing-galing mo dun. Hindi porke kaharap kita. When I was watching it, a lot of times, ilang beses ko na napanood yung Broken Marriage, but every time I watch it, ang galing-galing mo dun. Di ba reporter ka dun?
Reporter. Kami ni Spanky. Yeah.
Ang galing mo dun, even the time na you were with your friends, nung naghiwalay tayo, yung acting mo doon, basta nakakita ko ng ibang Christopher De Leon doon sa Broken Marriage.
Yeah.
It's a different Christopher De Leon
Yeah.
nakita ko sa Broken Marriage. Nung nagmo-monologue ka,
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I love that scene.
Yeah.
I love that scene.
Monologue was like,
Yeah.
nag-rehearse kami ni Bernie, ni Shma.
Yeah.
Nag-rehearse kami ni Bernie nung monologue. Sabi niya, Hindi pa natin nakunan.
See?
Hindi pa natin nakunan.
Ang haba ng...
Para sabihin ni Ishmael Bernal yun. I'm like, wow, thank you.
I love... Pag may time kayo, panoorin nyo yun, Broken Marriage.
Relasyon.
And relasyon
Classic
also.
for me. Sinasamba by Eddie Garcia is one of my favorites.
Also, same here. Same here yan.
Sinasamba.
Tayong apat yun, di ba?
Yeah.
With LT and Philip.
Iba rin kasi yung role mo doon eh.
Kontrabida.
Oo.
Kontrabida-bida.
Oo.
At saka iba yung attack na ginawa ni Tito Eddie
Yeah.
Garcia, di ba?
Right.
Yeah, yun, movies natin.
Very good there. You were very good. Yeah. Ano bang, pag nag-shoot tayo,
Excuse me.
ano napapansin mo sa akin sa break time? Yung break time. Nag-shoot tayo.
Ikaw, yeah.
During breaks, ano madalas mong makita sa akin sa set? Ba, nanonood? Anong ginagawa ko? Ikaw, alam ko, nasa kwarto ka, kasama mo, yung mga kasama mo. Lagi kami kwarto na, you know, they're very lucky now, you know, the actors now,
Oh, why?
very lucky.
Why?
Lahat sila may tent. Lahat
Oh.
sila naka-aircon, lahat sila na may
True,
stylist.
totoo yan.
No, when we were doing movies, wala kaming stylist.
Wala.
Sarili namin, wala kaming tent, wala kaming, you know, pag nasa location kami, nandun kami sa ilalim ng puno,
that's true.
o nasa kotse kami, you know. And
At saka
then-
pag squatter yung scene, nandun talaga tayo sa mga squatters. Nakaupo, wala yung mga tent-tent. Ngayon kasi kahit squatter yung
Naka-aircon
shot,
ka.
naka-tent,
Naka-aircon
at naka-aircon ka. Di ba? Doon hindi. Talagang kasama namin yung mga squatters. Talaga, nakaupo kami doon. Di ba, Yer?
Yeah. So, ano naman madalas makita mo sa akin pag, you know, nasa set ako, natutulog ba ako? Ano ba?
Hindi, yet,
Nakukulitan ba ako? O matahimik ako?
hindi, si ikaw kasi,
Kumakain? O bugnutin?
mahilig kang kumain. Mahilig kang kumain talaga. Matakaw ka, Yet. Matakaw
Okay.
ka. But one thing I noticed lang kay Yet, you're a moody person. Moody not hindi sa bad, hindi yung masamang ibig sabihin na. Moody in a way na sometimes I see you even during the break. Sometimes you look so happy, you laugh. Sometimes you're so quiet. You're so quiet, you're just in one corner and then just staring or maybe doing something, but you're so quiet. But there are times naman na bigla ka masaya. So, iba-ibang mood yung nakikita ko sa'yo.
Alright.
You get me? Pero, as a whole, yung personality mo, pwera nung nagluluko-luko yung buhay.
Okay.
Inabot ko rin kasi sa iyo yun,
Alright.
Nung nagluluko-luko yung buhay mo, inabot ko sa iyo yun, yung
Yeah.
you became unprofessional and all these things. So, I saw you. Nakita ko yung Christopher. Pero ngayon yung Boyet nakikita
That was not
ko.
me actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was not me.
Ang laki-laki ng binago mo, Yet. You're really so mature now. A better person?
Oh, thank God.
A better person, Yet. And yung nakikita ko naman na mood mo, it's just, tama lang eh. There are times we're happy, there are times we're quiet.
Yeah, just was
Kasi
quiet.
there are a lot of things now we need to mag-isip din tayo, di ba, now. So, you're a better person now, Yet.
Thank
So, pero moody ka.
Moody
Yeah.
talaga.
Sometimes you're quiet.
Si Vilma, si Madam Vilma, ganyan din yan. Before, yan. Pag gumagana na yan, yun ako, galit na yan. Sabi ko, pag gumaganyan na yan, exit muna ako dito. Pakipagkwentuhan muna ako dito kila...
Hindi, pinag-iinitan ko talaga yung buhok ko. Pinag-iinitan. Yet, Pinag-iinitan ko talaga buhok ko. Totoo naman yun.
Bakit? Anong ginagawa mo? Ano yun?
Inis.
Inis?
Ay, kumbaga yung hanky ko, pag naiinis ako, dito ko dinadala. But, but-
okay.
ano rin, yung pag naiinis na ako na, I don't know, basta I just wanna pull my... basta gusto ko, sinasabunutan ko yung sarili ko na parang hindi na lang ako makasalita ng hindi maganda yet. Kesa pag galit ka, di ba, kung ano sasabihin mo, ako yung inis ko, dito ko inihira sa buhok ko talagang, yung parang, naku, lumayo muna kayo, wag niyo akong kausapin. I mean, tao lang ako yet, no?
Lumalayo
Oo nga, pero pag lumayo na kayo, maya-maya okay naman ako, di ba? Di ba? Ganon.
Yeah.
Okay. Ay, hindi, alam na to ni Yet, Tika. Ang dami dito, Yet. Alam nyo na yung mga questions, eh. Okay. Teka, ha?
Alam ko na?
Alam mo na yung mga questions. Alam mo na Yet, eh.
Sige.
Teka. Okay, go. Sige.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go first.
Hindi, sinabi ko. Sino yung Sino yung... sa ngayon, sino yung celebrity crush ko? Alam mo na eh.
Richard Gere yun eh.
Yeah, alam mo na eh.
Oh, Richard Gere?
Tsaka?
Richard Gere.
Doon, may bago ko.
May bago ka?
May bago ako.
Bago. Bigyan mo ako ng...
Korean.
Ay, naku, hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan. Hindi ako Jinjangbao Park. Hindi ako mahilig sa...
Promise, kahit
Hindi ako-
isa.
hindi ako totoo.
Yet, hindi rin ako...
I'm sorry. Hindi
Yeah.
ako talaga.
Hindi rin ako mahilig. It's just...
Hindi ko sila kilala. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, hindi rin ako mahilig ng Korean. But there was one time na nakumbinsi nila ako to watch Crash Landing on You. Nakumbinsi lang ako manood.
I know that guy.
Yoon Bin.
Yoon Bin.
Yes.
Yeah. Grabe, parang Eastwood yun.
Yeah, it's just I fell in love with his character sa movie. Si Yoon Bin.
Yeah.
And one thing I noticed kasi he's the quiet type din.
Uh-huh.
He's the quiet type, mukhang edukado. Yung basta nailab ako sa character niya, crush,
Yeah.
Ganon.
Aside from,
Yeah. Wala kang
Richard Gere.
crush? Sinong
Ako?
crush mo ng mga foreign actors or actress rather? Sinong crush mo? Or let's say, hinahangaan mo, let's say...
Eva Green is my crush.
Really?
Eva Green is my crush.
Really?
I know she's so mysterious for me. Oo.
Meryl Streep.
Yeah, as an
You like
actor,
her?
yes.
Okay.
As
Okay.
Pag nakita mo na ba yung Baltic ko? I mean,
A lot of
Kailan-
times. Baltic
kailangan
mo?
mo alam na kung may Baltic ako.
Oo.
Sa set.
Oo.
Sa shoot,
Alam
yeah.
ko. Kasi Scorpio ka.
Ooh, I see.
Scorpio din ako yet.
Wow.
So, minsan kahit na
Alam
hindi
natin.
tayo sa shooting magkasama, isang tingin ko lang sa'yo, dumarating ka palang, alam ko wala sa mood dito. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I don't know with your body language, with your facial reaction, with... Alam ko kagad pag wala ka sa mood. Kaya hindi rin ako makulit. Hindi rin kita kinukulit.
Oh, thank you.
Yun nga, alam ko rin pag masaya ka,
Oh, okay.
ganon. So, natatansya ko sa body language mo at sa mga kilos mo yan. Kahit pa paano, kilala na kita doon.
Yeah.
Lalo na Scorpio ka, so alam ko moods ng Scorpio.
Really?
Kasi Scorpio rin ako, di ba?
Yeah.
So, when I see you like that, ikaw yun ngayon. But I've seen the worst.
Yeah. Hot dog!
I've seen the worst.
I hated
That time, nung maraming challenges sa buhay ka yet, that time, nakita ko yung worst mo talaga.
Yeah.
I wanted so much to, siguro in my own little way, baka may contribution naman ako, but I wanted so much to support you, to help you. But I'm happy, God is good that you're here now. Look at you.
Thank God.
Yeah. Diba? What's my biggest fear?
Yun ang itatanong ko nga sa'yo.
I know your biggest fear.
What? Ha! Alam mo.
Alam ko.
Okay.
O, di ba, nagsushooting tayo?
Oo.
Saan ka tumatakbo?
Sa...
Sige, sabay. 1, 2, 3. Ipis. Takot ako. Takot ako sa ipis. Takot din siya sa ipis.
Takot ka rin sa ipis.
Di ba?
Okay.
ikaw, sa tagal na rin natin magkasama, Yetbo, may mga una akong mga pinagsabihan ng mga, mga sinabi ko sa iyo noon. Kasi lagi tayo magkasama. Alin dito sa tatlong sasabihin ko sa iyo, unang-unang sinabi ko sa iyo? Unang-unang sinabi ko, ikaw ang unang-unang nakaalam dito sa Pilipinas. Magbibigay akong tatlo.
Sige.
Okay?
Sinabi mo sa akin,
Ikaw ang unang nakaalam.
nakaalam.
Dahil magkasama tayo.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Sinabi ko sa iyo na, Yet, ikakasal na ako.
Okay.
O sinabi ko sa iyo, Yet, buntis ako. O sinabi ko sa iyo, Yet, tatakbo ko sa public servant. Alin doon sa tatlo? Yung naalala mong unang-una kong sinabi sa iyo.
Di ko malaman kung kinasal na ako o buntis na ako. Pero naalala ko may sinabi ka sa akin. May sinabi ka sa akin. I think yung kasal na ako. Tama ba ako?
Sinabi ko rin sa iyo yun.
Sinabi mo rin.
Pero ikaw rin ang unang sinabihan ko sa iyo, Yet. Nasa kotse tayo.
Oo.
Pagdating natin from the States, nagsushooting tayo.
Buntis ako.
Sinabi ko sa iyo, Yet, buntis na ako. Pero kasi hindi ko pa pwedeng sabihin sa mga tao na buntis ako kasi may pelikula pa tayong
Nagsushoot tayo,
ginagawa.
no? Nagsushoot tayo.
Parang hintayin muna natin ito ma-showing bago ko i-announce sa mga tao na buntis na ako. Pero sa iyo ko unang sinabi na, Yet, buntis na ako.
Yeah. Wow.
Naalala mo?
Naalala ko yun.
Yun.
Vividly.
Yun. Yung mga ganon.
Maraming gusto makaalam. Saan ba tayo first na nag-meet? Nagkakilala?
Nagkita na ba tayo before Tagulan sa Tag-Araw?
Oh, yes.
Nagkita na tayo?
Oh, yes. Yes.
Ha?
Oh, yes.
Saan?
Ha?
Saan?
Hindi, nag-guest ako sa show mo.
Vilma!
Vilma.
Oo nga.
Nag-guest ako.
How young were you then?
Wow, I was like, wow.
Oh my
I
God.
was like 18.
Tapos nag-guest ka sa show ko?
Nag-guest ako sa show mo. We did
A number?
a number. Song number together. I mean, I think I sang.
We did a duet?
I think I sang and we sang together. I don't know.
Really?
Yeah.
That was before Tagulan sa Tag-Araw?
That's when I first met you.
Kasi ang memorable...
Dos.
Sobra ka. Basta ang memorable sa akin, na talagang nakilala ko itong Christopher De Leon. Kasi nadinig ko na siya na meron daw Christopher De Leon na magaling umarte.
Saan?
Na bata pa sa... Yung kay Lino Broca?
Tinimbang ka.
Tinimbang ka. So sabi nga ron, may isang magaling na artista bata pa, Christopher De Leon, na ang galing-galing sa moving Tinimbang Ka Ngunit Kulang. But when I met you sa Vilma, hindi ko pa alam na ikaw yun. Tumatak lang sa akin ikaw, si Christopher De Leon, when we did Tagulan sa Tag-Araw.
Okay.
Yun ang tumatak sa akin. So ito si Christopher De Leon. Ito pala siya.
Oo.
Tapos we did some sis.
Baka you were busy then. Too much busy then. That hindi mo na
Hindi naman.
maalala yung I guested in your Vilma show.
Maybe because
Taping
maybe
yun, taping eh. Diba?
yeah, baka sa dami ng guests
Yeah, yeah.
or you know. So basta alam ko lang tumatak ka sa akin sa Tag-Ulan sa Tag-Araw. Doon ko na-realize na so this is Christopher De Leon. Yun. Yun doon ko nalaman ikaw yun.
Right.
And then we did our scenes na. And isang memorable natin is Tagulan sa Tag-Araw. Di ba?
Yeah. Well, you were good there. I was not.
Come on,
Yeah,
yet.
you were good there.
No.
Magpinsan tayo. Yeah.
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 Pero hanggang ngayon pinapanood nila yun, ha?
Alright.
Okay. Last question. Okay. Ito mula ng dalaga up to this time. Naku, up to this time?
Dalaga.
Last question. Ano, hindi pwede na ngayon eh. No, before na lang. Ano na yun? As a love team, that time, anong nararamdaman mo pag nababalitaan mo may boyfriend ako? That time,
Mababalik.
Last question.
Oo. Oh.
Ano?
I'm late again.
What?
No. No.
Again, what? That
na-
time?
Nagiging unprofessional ka.
What?
Oo, dahil,
What do you mean?
buntis ka, hindi mo, nag-asawa ka, nag-honeymoon ka, bigla ka wala. Bigla kayo nag-elope, nagpunta ka ng Vegas, wala ka. Si boyfriend mo si ganito.
Uy!
Saan ka nagpunta, biglang, kasal na pala. Wow.
Oh.
Paano yung pelikula? I have to make, where's my job? I'm losing my job.
Hindi naman yet. Tinatapos ko naman yung movie.
Oo. Yeah.
Di ba? Tinatapos ko naman yung movie.
But ilang buwan? But you know.
Yeah, again, yet, I guess I thank God also for this team.
Nilipit to yung
Bakit?
Anyway, go. Okay.
Really,
Yeah.
sincerely, I thank God for this team na I guess hindi lahat blessed ng ganito.
Yes.
And we're both very lucky that
Hello, Lucky.
Hi, I love you, Lucky. I think nawala tuloy ako. Hindi kasi hindi lahat merong ganitong blessing. So I guess we're both lucky to have that magic word, the chemistry.
Right.
And for that, I'm very thankful
Yeah.
sa
Very
audience
fortunate.
and very thankful to you yet. Thank you for everything, for all the help. And to be honest, I'll tell you straight from the heart, kung saan man yung inabot ng karir ko o kung saan man ako doon ngayon, when it comes to my life or showbiz life or when I became a public servant, you're a big part of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Yet.
Yeah, you've been a very good friend of mine, the family. And kumare ko siya.
Inaanak ko yung panganay niya.
Kumare
Sa totoo
ko siya.
lang.
Oo. So, I'm very fortunate to have a friend like you.
Thank you,
Thank
Yet.
you very
Thank you for it.
Hey, guys,
Yes!
don't forget
Yes.
this one.
What's that? Oh!
Don't
Yeah.
forget.
Again,
When I met you in Tokyo.
yes.
Super heartwarming. So, I love this project so much.
Same here.
Yeah.
Same here.
And thank you for making me, thank you for Reggie
Thanks,
Magno for
Reg.
asking me to be the associate director in this project.
Yes, thank you. And again, in this particular movie, when I met you in Tokyo, we will make sure that you will love Joey and Azon. Ito po yung love story na sa edad namin. And dito namin papakita na, again, walang pinipili po ang love. Once you feel it, it's there. So, iniimbitahan po kayo ni Joey at ni Azon to watch and join us dito po sa pelikula naming ibibigay uli sa inyo ni Christopher De Leon, When I Met You in Tokyo. And we promise you a good product and a good film.
Yes.
Na you will enjoy, you will laugh, you will fall in love, you will cry,
Right. Well,
everything.
you know the problem now.
What?
In the movie is hindi nila maputol yung mga eksena natin. Gusto nila lahat yung mga eksena natin, gusto nila lahat nandun. Walang gusto magtapon ng eksena. Sabi ko, hindi pwede. Magtapon tayo ng eksena kung kailangan. But,
Paano yun, Yet? Ang dami kasi naming eksena dito na kahit pa paano tumulong
the
kami,
producers will do something
nag-collaborate.
about that. The producers will do something about that. But it's a beautiful movie. You fall in love with it. It's all shot in Japan. 90% in Japan.
Yeah.
And we have a good cast. And
Very good cast. Maybe we can share with them, no?
Yeah.
We have here at least meron kang si Cassie, pamangking ko.
Yeah.
And then si Darren, your apo.
Yeah.
And then very, very good
And Lot
actors like Lot de Leon, kasama po namin dito.
plays my daughter.
Your daughter, Gina Alahar.
Yes.
Sabihin na natin ex-wife.
Right.
Inye,
Ex-wife.
binigay na.
Ex-wife na.
Oo.
Okay. So, wala
And
na.
then, yung brother
Illicit love
ko,
affair.
si Eigenman, si Gabby Eigenman. And then, of course, my two friends, si Kakay at si Lynn Cruz, and your
Tirso-
friend,
Tirso
Tirso Cruz III, your
Plus
friend,
Jackie Wu.
Jackie Wu.
Yes.
Si John. Kasama rin natin si John. And this is directed by Direk Romel and
Vanessa.
Direk Rado. And then, dalawa director namin. And then, our third director, our associate director, Christopher De Leon. Yet, maraming salamat
And
sa
thanks.
lahat ng motivation.
And thank you for the...
Reg, thank you
G, and of course,
to our producers na nagbigay
JG
ng
Production.
JG Productions na nagbigay po ng tiwala sa amin to do this film.
In Japan.
As is yung nag-script. Yes,
Yeah.
Suzette. Miss Suzette, thank you very much. Ang ganda ng mga dialogue dito. So,
Yeah, grabe. Ang ganda.
and may we take this opportunity also to thank the people of Japan, our friends there, na tumulong po ng malaki sa amin.
Chari, hi, Chari.
Yeah, na magawa po namin maganda yung shoot namin sa Japan. Makikita nyo, ma-enjoy nyo po kasi yung visual. Meron kaming snow,
Meron kaming winter.
meron kaming rainy season,
Oo.
meron
kaming
tayong spring.
Autumn.
Yeah, it's a movie for
Snow.
all seasons.
Winter.
It's a movie for all seasons.
Star for all seasons. Vilma Santos.
Thank you very much. So please do watch again, Yet. When I Met You in Tokyo. Yet, thank you.
See you, madam.
Thank you.